In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high-quality images on Gmail on your PC. Imagine this, you've got some fantastic photos that you want to share, but they lose their charm when you send them due to compression, making them appear less vibrant and sharp. No worries, today, we'll overcome that challenge together. Firstly, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper left corner of the screen for the Compose button. This will open a new email window where we'll include our high-quality images. Now that you have the new message window in front of you, take a moment to fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. It's also a good idea to include a descriptive subject line so the recipient knows what to expect inside the email. Something like "stunning high residential photos from our trip" will do the trick. In the body of the email, you may want to write a quick message or introduction about the photos you're sending. Here's where the critical part comes in. Directly attaching the images via the Attach Files paperclip icon can often compress them, sacrificing quality. Instead, let's utilize Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive icon located at the bottom of the Compose window. If you haven't uploaded your images yet, go ahead and select Upload from the menu that appears. Navigate to your images on your PC and select the high-quality files you wish to send. Once uploaded, make sure to select Insert as Drive Link, not Attachment. This ensures that you're sending the images without losing any quality, as recipients can directly download the files from Google Drive. Now that we've tackled the attachment portion, there's still an important step regarding permissions. By default, your Google Drive files are private only to you. It's crucial to change the sharing settings so the recipient can access the images without any hiccups. After inserting the images, hover over the file names and click on the Share button. In the window that appears, you'll see an option to choose who can view the file. Select Anyone with the link can view. Remember to save these settings before closing the dialog box. Finally, read through your email once more to ensure everything is in place. And when you're ready, hit that Send button. By following these steps, you will ensure that your images maintain their quality and resolution, allowing your recipient to enjoy them as intended. And there you have it, sending high-quality images through Gmail on your PC is a breeze when you know the right steps. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you share your favorite moments in the best possible format.